I'm interested in offers that meet this description. And for describing the why and what, you use the exact same patterns. Which also means that structurally and semantically, a demand and supply description that match should be pretty similar. With this simple tweak, you can model wish lists, tenders, the whole demand side. Again, it is not just for GoodRelations, it's an example of how a clean conceptual model for ontology empowers unpredicted use. Because when building GoodRelations, I didn't think about this requirement. It was a request that was added, that I followed a couple of months ago. But because things are kept separate, it took me I just had to define one new property that links someone and something and update a few text elements, but that was really minor, to implement wish lists and tender data. So now you can use the full power also for accessing public tendering data much more easily. Like Googling for tenderings that you should that you should look at. Okay, just quizzes, and then these quizzes are between you and between you and the lunch break. What's the difference? Well, you can answer it after break, or just think about what it is. What's the difference between product or service and product or service model? What's the difference between actual product or service and product or service some instances placeholder? How are quantitative values modeled in GoodRelations? And what does the string C62 stand for? Have you digest this while digesting the tasty lunch? See you again at, let's say, well, let's be a bit flexible with the schedule now. I think you will need probably an hour for lunch, right?
Well, so officially the lunch break is till 2 o'clock.
Till 2 o'clock.
Which is